Delamination in caulked joints is when the caulk separates from one or both bonded surfaces, leaving a gap or gap-like blister. Delamination happens because the adhesive bond between the caulk and the substrate fails under stress, contamination, or incompatible material chemistry. To prevent it, choose a sealant formulated for smooth or non-porous materials and match the sealant chemistry to the substrates you are joining. Silicone often adheres poorly to some paints and plastics, while polyurethane and hybrid polymers can adhere better to painted wood and masonry. Prepare both bonding surfaces by removing old caulk, oil, dust, and release agents using a solvent that does not leave residue, and then abrade glossy surfaces lightly with fine, abrasive paper to create a mechanical key. Always make sure substrates are dry and at a proper temperature range for the sealant you are using, because trapped moisture under the bead and temperature extremes can reduce adhesion and cause blistering or softening. Apply a continuous, properly tooled bead that fully contacts both sides of the joint without voids, and avoid stretching the sealant during application, because that stores elastic energy that can pull the bead off when it relaxes. Allow full cure time before exposing the joint to movement or water, and follow manufacturer wetting and cure guidance to ensure the polymer cross-links correctly. Common mistakes include applying sealant to contaminated or glossy surfaces, which causes poor wetting and loss of adhesion. Fix this by cleaning with a compatible solvent and abrading where possible before priming if recommended. Another issue is using the wrong chemistry for the substrate and environment, which leads to early failure. Verify compatibility charts or test a small patch and choose a product labeled for the specific materials and movement expected. The third frequent problem is trapping moisture beneath the bead during cold or humid application, which creates separation as the sealant cures. Always wait for dry conditions. Use desiccant or heaters in enclosed spaces if needed, and confirm dryness with a moisture meter for critical applications. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work by listing projects and profiles that connect both sides. We host a discussion community where we and our users share real-world tips, product experiences, and local recommendations related to sealants and joint repair.